Good morning, students. This is the second lesson, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. You see, this is the sexual reproduction in flowering plant, and this is chapter 2 of 12 biology. We know that sexual reproduction is the development of new organism through the formation and fusion of gametes. So, formation and fusion of gametes. These gametes are not directly formed. Gametes are not directly formed from sporophytic body, but instead they are formed from spores by reduction division. Gametes are always contains n or haploid number of chromosomes. So in sexual reproduction, what happens? One n unite with the another n, it form the twice n. This is the sexual reproduction. Eto ami agor lesson tur ami paisu. Then in case of flowering plant, this one, so flower is the reproductive unit. After the plant pass juvenile phase, in case of animal or human being, we got the puberty, but the plant flowering start. So when flowering start in this plant, that means it got the structural maturity or it can capable of reproduction. These flowers are formed over mature plant. When plant become mature, the flowering start. In response to hormone, and other physiological factors which induce certain physiological changes in shoot apex. That means with the meristematic activity, the help of meristematic activity, the plant grow. You see, this is the meristematic region of the plant, and it grows in this way. But when it got a maturity, then this meristematic region, in this region, certain hormone and physiological changes occur, which form the floral primordia, and flower occur in this way. So the reproductive unit flower consists of 4 parts. It consists of 4 parts. Number 1, calyx. Number 2, corolla. Number 3, androecium. And number 4, gynoecium. So calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. These four parts also known as WHO, whole. That whole বুলি কোৱা যায় কাৰণ এটা ফুলৰ চাৰিওফালে এনেকৈ ইহঁতি চাৰিওফালে থাকে কাৰণে এটা whole বুলি কোৱা যায়. So আমি কি বুলি ক'ম, four holes are present: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. The individual part of the calyx is called sepal. Is called sepal. Corolla is called petal. Androecium is called stamen, and gynoecium is called carpel বা pistil. So these are the individual part: calyx known as sepal, corolla petal, androecium stamen, and gynoecium carpel. এটা আমি বৃত্তি বা বেটুপাত, পাহি, দলমণ্ডল বা ষ্টিষ্ট বা এনেকৈ আমি অসমীয়াত কওঁ. And when this two part is called accessory whole, and this two part is called essential whole. Out of four holes, this calyx and corolla is known as accessory whole, and androecium and gynoecium is called essential whole. When all four holes are present, then the flower is called complete flower. If not, it is called incomplete flower. চাৰিটা হোলৰ যদি আটাইকেইটা থাকে তেতিয়া আমি কমপ্লিট ফ্লাৱাৰ বুলি ক'ম, আৰু যদি নাথাকে তেতিয়া আমি ইনকমপ্লিট ফ্লাৱাৰ বুলি ক'ম. So in an incomplete flower, এই incomplete flowerটোত যদি stamen present, pistil absent. যদি stamen present থাকে, pistil absent থাকে, তেতিয়া আমি ইয়াক কি বুলি ক'ম? ইয়াক আমি ক'ম staminate flower. আৰু যদি pistil present আৰু stamen absent থাকে, তেতিয়া আমি ইয়াক কি বুলি ক'ম? pistillate flower. এটা মই দেখিবা, এটা হ'ল ইনকমপ্লিট ফ্লাৱাৰবিলাকত যদি ষ্টেমেন প্ৰেজেণ্ট থাকে, পিষ্টিল নাথাকে, তাক আমি ষ্টেমিনেট ফ্লাৱাৰ বুলি কওঁ. আৰু যদি পিষ্টিল থাকে, ষ্টেমেন নাথাকে, তেতিয়া আমি তাক পিষ্টিলেট ফ্লাৱাৰ বুলি কওঁ. দেন যদি same flower contains both androecium and gynoecium, then this is called, আমি কি বুলি ক'ম? bisexual. ইয়াক আমি ক'ম bisexual. Majority of flower is bisexual. And if they are present separate flower jodi androecium aru gynoecium thake tetia tak ami kom unisexual flower. এইখিনি কথা আমি পিছলৈ পাম। এতিয়া এজে হল এই লেসনটো যেটো ৰিপ্ৰডাকচনৰ ওপৰত আছে, গতিকে আমি ফ্লাৱাৰ বিষয়ে ইন ডিটেইলছ পঢ়িম। লেসনটো কি পঢ়িব লাগিব আমি হেতু চাও। এতিয়া আমি যদি ইয়াৰ এজোপা গছৰ লাইফ সাইকেলটো চাওঁ, লেট দিছ ইজ দ্য plant body. This plant body at maturity produce flower, and a flower contains two parts. This is androecium and this is gynoecium. This androecium produce stamen, okay, individual part. This stamen contains anther. This anther is known as microspore. Similar way, this gynoecium pistil, this pistil contains ovary. Okay, now within the entire microsporangium as a result of reduction division, pollen grains are formed. These pollen grains are now known as microspore, and in the ovary, as a result of reduction division, it will form egg. Now this microspore or a pollen grain produce male gamete. This male gamete now moves to the egg. This is called pollination. And up to this stage, from flower to the pollination, this stage we called it as pre-fertilization stage. Pre-fertilization stage. Then after pollination, when this male gamete fuse with the egg, as a result we have, this is a n number chromosome because of this reduction division, this is also n. As a result of, we have a twice n structure, and this is called zygote. This is called zygote. Zygote is the first twice n structure. Then this zygote form the embryo. Then the embryo develop to seed, and the seed develop to the plant body. So this is the normal life cycle of the plant. This is the flower, androecium and gynoecium is there, and the androecium produce finally pollen grain or microspores. This gynoecium produce egg. This is the female gamete. This is the male gamete produced from microspore, and both n male gamete and n female gamete, this is egg, unite together to form the zygote. This zygote form the embryo, and this embryo form the seed, and this seed from the plant body. This is a normal life cycle. And in next আমি কি পঢ়িম? আমি পঢ়িম microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis. That means microsporogenesis ইয়াৰ মেইন এইমটো হ'ল এতিয়া মেল গেমেট প্ৰডিউচ কৰিব। মেল গেমেট প্ৰডিউচ কৰিব আৰু ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছটোত মেগাস্পৰোজেনেসিস কেনেকৈ হয় এইখিনি পঢ়ি গৈ থাকিম। থেংক ইউ।